Okay, number 11. A table of values for the linear function is shown below. Use the coordinate grid to graph the linear function. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plot these points on here because they're asking for the x and y intercept. So if I can plot these points and make a graph line, then I might be able to see where they're crossing the x and y axis at, and then I'll know my x and y intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and plot 2. So there's 2, and then I need to go up to 10. Okay, and they're counting, it looks like they're counting by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2, 10 is right here. Let's see if I can plot 5, 16. So I go over to 5 and I go up to 16, which actually has a graph line. Okay, and then 8, 22. So 8, 20, 22. So go over to 8 right there. Okay, so it looks like we're going up in this direction. Okay, well, if I'm going to get to the x or the y axis, it looks like I need to work backwards. So it looks like to make my next point, I go down 2, 4, 6, and I go over 1, 2, 3. So let's do that. So go 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to keep that pattern going because that's how I'm getting from point to point. I'm going up 2, 4, 6, and I'm counting by 2s because that's how the y's are counting. 2, 4, 6, and then I'm going over 3 lines and making a point. 2, 4, 6, go over 3 lines. So I'm just doing that pattern but in reverse. So instead of going up 6 and right 3, I'm going down 6 and left 3. Let's just go down 6. 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. And that looks like that's going to be all the ordered pairs I can fit on this graph line. So now I'm going to see where it crosses the y-axis, because that's where x is 0. Remember, on this graph line, that's where x is 0. So where does it cross? It crosses right here. Looks pretty close. And that's the point 0, negative 2, 4, negative 6. Okay, let's see where it crosses the x-axis. So it looks like it crosses right about here, close enough too. So that would be the ordered pair. Remember, y is 0 for the x-intercept, so that would be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and now I need to check my answer points. Okay, so it's saying 6, 0. 6 zeros here. Most definitely can't be here, and this says negative 3, 0. It can't cross the x-axis twice, so this can't be my x and y intercept. Okay, negative 3, 0, check. 0, oh, I'm sorry, this should be 0, positive 6, because it's up. Okay, that looks like it's good. Here, 0, negative 3, that would be down here on the negative y-axis, and 6, 0 would be here. That can't be it. 0, 6, correct. 0, negative 3, down here, that is not going to work, so that can't be it. So the correct answer is G. And for the final question, you've got, which graph shows a function with a 0 of negative 5? Please mark out 0 and write the word x-intercept. So I want to see when y is 0, what is x? Remember that y is 0. I'm also on the x-axis. So I want to see, do I cross the x-axis at negative 5? No. Do I cross the x-axis at negative 5? Yes. Does this cross the x-axis at negative 5? No. Does this cross the x-axis at negative 5? No. So the correct answer is G.